Do you want to know how to delete your story archive on Facebook? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to quickly and easily remove any story from the story archive with just a few taps. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile app and then tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the Settings and Privacy page, scroll down until you see an option called Activity Log. Once you've found it, tap on it. And now you will be able to see all of your activity on Facebook. So what you want to do next is tap Archive. And then tap Story Archive. And now you will be able to see all of the archived stories on your Facebook account. If you want to delete an archived story, simply tap on it, then tap on these three little dots at the top right. And then tap Delete this story. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.